Good morning and welcome along to SPE Offshore Europe here at the P&J Live Arena in Aberdeen in 2023. Now you join me here on the J&S Subsea stand with Matt Blair. Now Matt, we're all back together. It's been 4 long years since the last SPE Offshore Europe. We're all back together again. It's day one. What's your hopes for the next 4 days?
Well, to meet a lot of new people and reconnect with some old faces as well. We have not exhibited as J&S Subsea here before, so it's good to be back in the new guise as a new company and get the message out there about what we're doing in the world.
So a new name to SPE Offshore Europe here in 2023, but with a rich heritage. Now, for those who don't know the company, tell us a little bit about what J&S do.
Well, we started off really supporting the OPEX of late life assets in the North Sea. A lot of issues around obsolescence at the time, and that has evolved. We launched an initiative called Legacy Locker a few years ago, and that has really grown into renewables, it's grown into reuse, it's grown into circular economy, it's grown into net zero. So the evolution of the company and the evolution of Legacy Locker have really helped get us noticed. And I think the actual supply chain's changing as well. People are prepared to look at companies like ourselves. There's more of an opportunity for companies like J&S to make an impression in the market.
Now, it's the 50th year of Offshore Europe. Hard to believe, 1973, the first time everyone got together. Now, that's 50 years of innovation to most, and I get the feeling that J&S Subsea, really, innovation is core, and the device behind us here is very much part of that.
It is, yeah. This is our new subsea control module that we're launching. It is based on a heritage. There's generations of this already on the seabed, so it's a product that has got track record. But what we've done is, if you look at the history of this, and when someone writes the book about the history of the North Sea, there was a lot of the technology came out of the defence technology in the 70s and 80s, and so a lot of the equipment that's down there at the moment is based on old technology with all the, it was very reliable, but a lot of the problems that go with that now in supporting it. So we've really looked at taking the latest technology and applying it into this application. And so we've got high hopes for it to really help out again with these late life obsolescence small field developments.
Matt, thank you. Wish you all the best here at SPE Offshore Europe.